So over here you can see that I have my 3D layers right here in a 3D composition right here, and you can see that there's lights right here in the composition that I can turn on and off right here, just like this. And I also have these layers right here, so which is already divided out into multiple layers, as you can see right here. So over here by default, what happens is that the object behaves in a certain way and has a certain look. But what you can do is you can go around and change around its diffuse, specular, and shininess as you like as well. So to access those properties, you need to go around and expand this particular layer right here. And once you do that, you need to go around under material right here, just like this. And over here, you can see diffuse, specular, and shininess over here. So you can go around and increase this and decrease this right here to change around the diffuse right here, which changes around the brightness of this particular layer, as you can see right here. But in diffuse, you can see that everything, the brighter parts are much more louder, and the darker parts remain completely dark right here, just like this. If I were to go around onto specularity right here, then it becomes much more shiny, as you can see right here. So this is what you have right here, as you can see. So this is what you have right here, just like this, as you can see right here, and it is much more shinier right here once you go around and look at it in specularity. You can also go around and work around with shininess right here, as you can see. So you can go around over here and increase this out right here, or decrease this out right here, and change around the shininess as you like as well, just like this, by working around with this a particular property right here. And then you got emissive right here. That means you can go around and choose a particular color over here, just like this. So you can go around and get that particular object right here to have a tint for that particular color, as you can see right here. Like you can go around and make it a bit blue right here, as you can see, or you can go around and change out the hue right here so that you got that particular look. So you want to, let's say for example, match this out with the background color right here. Then you can go around and take the color picker tool right here and then utilize this, and then you got that color spectrum right here, and you can simply go around and increase the color value to match out the background, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go around and work around with diffuse, specular, shininess, and even emissive option inside of HitFilm to give the look you want to layers inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.